works. So you have to first tell them that yeah, there are basically three types of NAT: static, dynamic, and pat. So what static NAT is, when you explaining static NAT, it should inbound NAT. Inbound means the traffic coming from outside to the inside. Okay, so you should have one public IP addresses, one internal IP addresses, and one web hosting. So what is the use of this static IP addresses? It is used for the web hosting. Yes, if you are web hosting in your environment, so you should use this static IP, static NAT addresses. Okay, and this is one-to-one, means if you have one web server, so you can assign one public IP address to that. Okay, and this is inbound. Just remember this is inbound traffic. Okay, means traffic coming from outside to inside. And this static NAT also we call as a destination NAT. Okay, so the second type of the NAT is the dynamic NAT. Dynamic NAT also we call as a source NAT, means the traffic is coming from internal host to going to the outside host, that is internet. Okay, and these are many to many, means there are multiple public IP addresses are available for a NATing. Okay, and the use case of if company has multiple public IP addresses for different purposes, like if you have an ISP or the cloud infrastructure, so there multiple public IP addresses are used. Okay, the next type is the pat. Pat is the port address translation. This is also an outbound NAT, and it is a one to many. Okay, means only one public IP address is used, but it has multiple port address assigned, okay, to the internal host. And what is the use case of this? When anyone asks for the pat, so just think about your internet home Wi-Fi, like your mobile laptops connected through a single IP with the multiple ports. So there we use the pat. Okay, so these are three NAT types you have to be keep in mind. If someone asks about in which case that web hosting you are going to use, so you can explain about this static NAT. If they ask that you have cloud or ISP infrastructure and multiple public IP are using, so you can use this dynamic NAT. And the pat is for the outbound traffic, like home network. Thank you.